me, and you're probably wondering how I got here. Well, I bought my first house last year, and I said, let's put me all over it. I mean, all over it. I just went ahead and bought a whole bunch of stuff. Didn't even really put it together, but I just had a vision. I was going to go ahead and execute it. So I bought a bunch of frames from IKEA. I printed out my best wedding photos. Actually, the one I love the most. Ordered some pizza, and I made my husband, in quote, my husband, get to work because I was not dealing with it. I went ahead and bought a ruggable mat. I don't like it. It's just hard to put together. I bought a love sack couch. $10,000. Was it worth it? Probably not, but I get to wash the covers, so it's a win-win. I got 5 kids. My husband is so over me. I made him put sea moss on the walls and go ahead and put up these large curtains, and he worked and worked and worked all night. Actually, it spread out over a few weeks, but at the end of the day, I was happy for a moment. I think the hardest part of this was the painting and the screwing the wood on the wall, but no, we got it together, and it turned out pretty good. So this part I might keep, and everything else, we'll see. I decided to do another wall in black, just to give that anesthetic. And then I stopped it there. We had to let this part dry, so we went ahead and started on the guest bathroom. I did it a lime wash beige pink. And then I'm going to rip out the sink and replace the mirrors, but that's for another day. But until then, bye.